Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on the location and for the connect with us. My name is Chirimi Apostle Alfred Ojon Uyinosa, the man when he believe in good governance, the street commissioner. Now, we just come up from 5 junction to show now the armor cable where they carry our street lights, where they vandalize. Now we come back to a hackman. Make una see the high tension pole where all these people destroy overnight. They disappear. They say they don't see who do it. So people say, the pole, na substandard. Well, what are you talking about? I don't know why did they sabotage the effort of Governor Godwin of Bashaki to take carry light come Edo. Yes, I sit there with the PS this afternoon. He go tell us more about the damage when they cause to Ossiomo power line. Because I know some people talk say, let there be light, and there was light. Why they don't want light for Edo? I never understand. My God, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother, apostle of goodness and good tidings. On Saturday, where they talk, you know, say when I talk at the other time, we don't reach here.
Yes.
Ossiomo, this is the company here. Now, they call us, say, our pole fall on top Benz. You say, now we take come here. This pole, now we they call Josama pole. Josama, they talk. Josama is the strongest pole in Edo State. Manufacturer in Edo State. He got NEMSA accreditation, he got NEC, he got everything. If you say mention Josama pole, that is the strongest. You see how it bounce?
No, you know, Clark.
Now, as we reach here, another head talker, people for the company here, we ask them. Now, front of the company there, what happened? They said now they hear boom. As they hear boom. Now, so, when I hear boom, I don't come out. Where the people, they say they don't meet anybody. Apart from the bench, where we say the pole fall on top. You see the pole now? You see her? Now, I we can't take a motor on top the pole that day. Come look wire where it's scattered everywhere. Come look wire. Where they go? Now, Edo State government line, no Ossiomo, that be this one now. Now, just take government, now spend money to do all these things. So, now this place, they carry light, go to local road, go TV road,
wow.
Go Bawo, that 5 junction.
Yes, sir.
Edo job for IC road. Now, here carry light, they go. Now, this one, make light not the that side, where they go cut cable now. You see, huh? See our wire for ground. See, huh? You see, huh? You see all our wire? You see, huh? Everything japlata for grant.
Edo State government.
Edo State government, look am. Yeah. Look the pole. EDFG United this pole 36. 35 and 34, now they break for that side. So, wow. So this wire now supposed carry light go all the local road. That's why everywhere there darkness now for this axis. Now this accident maker. If you look now, if you look up now, all the wire, the way the accident, the way the accident have reached, now the wire takes sag.
Even after the transformer too.
Come this side too. The way this accident big reach now, people where they say they don't know who do it. They not see the car. You know, good men, they join, they break corner. We can't say family day. Whereas don't join break come for farm. If all this Tiffy Janko Rico hit around people, they not get more support. They don't feel succeed. Because Benin a time where they are alert, when we take grow up. Yeah. Benin a time where they are alert. When they come all the best for here that day. Now Wahala now they begin to follow us, make Wahala say the best is on its own. Now if it's on its own, the best not get owner. Yeah. The owner now she go report for police station. If you wake up in the morning, fall off your tire for motor come out. You don't go report. Talk less say government pole naka. This transformer where they look that day so this transformer come up for that channel iron.
Wow.
All the wires full here now we can push them back. Because this pole for here now come see the pole. Come see the pole. Come here. You see her? You see her? Accident 12 feet drop pole. Another pole. This is 034. EDFG 034. You see her? You see the way the accident will drag the wire, scatter this pole. You see her? Now so it takes scatter. They come. You see her? You see the body now. This one is EDFG 034. So EDFG 034 and 035 are taken out of the network. And of course, you see cable. Come see cable. For 033. Come see cable for 033. Ossiomo. That's what we see. Now wait till they pay. We want to make this thing go round. Or that government want to make it go round.
Every day.
Now 2 steps backward, 1 step forward. 1 step forward, 10 steps backward. It's not good now.
Meanwhile, some area that they fear very large their area.
Where?
The area where they dey now, they not follow.
For where? You see how? You see cable for? You see how? You see the way it affect her? You see how so?
Yeah.
You see the way it affect her? This kind of accident, the people around say they not see her. Maybe we dey talk true. Maybe we dey tell ourselves the truth. What do they want to talk? Not the fear. Now want to talk and they fear. We not the fear to talk truth. It's very bad. Come see the way it distort all our pin insulator. Come here. See our polymer insulator. See I'm come see am now. Not be small havoc. You dey see am so?
Yeah.
Look am.
Wow.
You drag and comot. You dey see am so? You drag and comot. If you look at now small remain, make they touch BDC 11. You understand me so? The other day he rest on now. So for all 32 now, you see how he destroyed the polymer insulator. Come out for position. Now so now, the wire still the sag they go. You see how he fall on top that LT pole. Wait there. Now so this kind of accident, my people more than talk to. How people will be say if they around this house now will say they don't know, they don't see the car. When they show this thing, maybe say not be say we just the car they talk or to come the paint picture of things wey not exist. That's why we dey beg, make una help us do this community police. So now everybody concerned. They say down they come, up they come. Not before only one person.
Everybody.
Because we don't receive many security reports. Improvement this is say since this night come pocket picking don't reduce rape cases don't reduce, kidnapping it don't reduce, a lot of things don't reduce for this period. Make we not go use our hands for wetin your God give us. This light, this electricity wey dem dey spread so, this Ossiomo extension of 11 kVA now they power all these street lights go reach all those houses of where they see so. Yeah. Then we take the power now. Electricity not a waka, now wire they carry am. No. Once the wire not the electricity don't go. So we can't tell you that today. Our brothers for house, our brothers for Bodo Ibo, more than help us use this matter. Campaign well, make it not come be say I get before that story. That's why I say the money we want to do this one now. You can see all the damage we do. Yeah. The money we want to do this one now.
Millions of them.
You know what reach us take do or start for another place. Make God not let us go the bad way to we try get 2 times so. Yeah. Now when we get where they get joined, now we they pray for. So our governor Basaki they try the rest our hand you know what fit they here. Yeah. Now we will be say if they get the project they join, I will protect them. Obasaki never own one light before.
Wow.
Now the community they own that.
But to show say that their own.
Now they commissioner and he go say now na own. So who then give key, dash car, may start the car, now he get her. Now so I fit talk rich.
So my people, now so one carry this one can reach this afternoon. We will continue to give the situation report about Ossiomo line and the street light where our people they destroy. For Tesami Road, I mean for Olia, Chiloko Road, Chaplain Road, New Bini, they don't destroy them, they go. Say an accident. Time don't reach for us to take ownership of these things where they destroy. I beg now our property. Now so we want to carry this afternoon. We will continue to give an update about what they happen for our city. Do not be great again. Bye bye.